Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Mary Sanderson, who is one of the Sanderson sisters from the Hocus Pocus movies. So before we get started, please feel free to leave a like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Alright, so let's start drawing Mary. I'm going to start with the face first. And we can do a shape like this, kind of like a wide upside down U. And then add a bottom. And now we're going to do a little half circle and a little circle. And then we can color in that bigger shape. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to do another, just a little top eyelid here. So it's another wide upside down U. And we can add a few eyelashes. And then we're going to do an eyebrow. So we're going to come on up and go on over. And you can see I kind of slanted down a bit. And then I'm going to fill in this part here. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little, kind of like a little V shape. So it's kind of like a soft V. And then I made this part here on the end a little bit thicker. And I'm going to do a little curve right here. And right here we got a little thicker end to this V as well. So those are nostrils. And we can do the other eye. So we're going to do that same shape we did on the other side, kind of like a little lemon. And then we can do this big curve and a circle and color this part in all dark. And we can do a curve up top here, add a few eyelashes, and we can do another eyebrow. And the thickest part of the eyebrow is going to be the part that's closest to the center of the face. And come on up. And now we got to do her signature mouth look. So we're going to have a little bit of smile here. And then we can add a top lip. And then right here on the side of the mouth, we're going to come on down and then up again. And then we're going to follow along with that same shape we just made, but we're going to do the bottom lip. Okay, and now we're going to do a little line right here, and we're going to add some teeth. So just a few lines. So now we've got her signature mouth. She always has kind of a slanted mouth. And now we can do the shape of the face. So I'm going to come down here by the eye and give her a cheek, and then come on down, a little bit of a chin, and then come on up, another cheek, and bring that up. Alright, so now the next thing, we can do some bangs. We can work on the hair. So she's got some bangs that just go across the face here, across the forehead, but some of them are a little bit curvy and wavy, so they're not all totally straight or anything. And then some pieces kind of come down here by the face and frame her face. Just kind of a little few wavy pieces. And now we can work on the top of the hair. Her hair is a really fun shape. It's like kind of like a witch hat, really. That's what it always reminded me of. So I'm just kind of making all these wispy strands of hair in the shape of this like witch hat kind of hairdo. or almost kind of like ice cream, like soft serve ice cream too. All right, so there we go. We're done the hair. All right, so now let's do a line here for a neck and another line. And we can do one here and one here. We're starting to come out with some shoulders here. But before we work any more with the shoulders, we can do a curve here for the neck of her outfit. And now we're going to do 2 more little lines on each side, then do another neck shape here for the outfit, another collar shape. But this part here is going to come on down. So is this. It's going to be like a V shape. And then we're going to do another little line and another little one. And we can come on down and kind of curve. Same over here. Curve. And then bring down another line and another one. And now we can kind of make a V shape. Now right here, we can do some crisscrossing. So like a pile of X shapes. Now we can do a shoulder. And I'm going to put a few lines going around here. This is just going to be helping to show the movement of the fabric of her sleeve. And another sleeve here. And right here, we're going to have the side of her skirt, and right here. And I'm going to put an arm coming down this way. So it's going to be kind of like a hand on the hip situation. And the arm, her hand is going to be right here. So we can have another little line right here. And do a finger right there. And you can see the rest of the hand then. All right, so that is it for our drawing, for our sketch, and now I'm going to add some color. All right, everyone, we're finished our picture of Mary Sanderson. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Hope you have the very best day ever, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, folks, goodbye.